Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go through the question. What are the top 3 things that I should do to get approved for Social Security disability benefits? Well, the top 3 things that you should be doing are, number 1, not working, because if you're working, they're just going to probably deny you. And if you're earning over $1,260 per month, they de facto will deny you, because then you're earning over SGA, which is element 1 of the 5-step sequential process. So don't work. That's big thing number 1. Big thing number 2, make sure you have multiple specialists that agree that you have these issues. If you can, get RFCs filled out. If you can, get residual functional capacity forms. If you can, get them to write a letter, etc. And then thing number 3, I would say, because keep in mind, I make these up on the spot. That's just what I do. Keep in mind, the big thing is know what the limitations and requirements are for each program. SSI, SSDI. If SSI, don't have more than $2,000 in the bank account and don't have any of their other, monetary-based limitations. SSDI, be aware of. It's not the same as SSI, but you still have other restrictions that you can't be doing. They're mostly based upon the 5-step sequential process. So I guess what I would say is, number 3, learn what the 5-step sequential process is. Those are the elements of disability law. Learn what the 5-step sequential process is. If you can learn what the 5-step sequential process is, that would be the next best move. That's what I would say for number 3. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you want the most up-to-date information or you have a unique question, that's fine. At this point, you can email or call me. If it's like a really in detail, this is what happened, I need representation, blah, blah, blah thing, that's fine. But if it's just a quick question, just call me on Thursday between 8 and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's when I go live on YouTube. So 8 to 10 p.m. on Thursday, just catch up with me. All right? Attorney Walter Hnot, have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.